Hi everyone, we've reached 1,600 subscribers, so as promised, I'm going to give away a cookbook. Yay! So if you'd like to be the recipient of the big book of Mediterranean diet cooking, as well as a few little tidbits I'm going to put in the package that I'm not going to tell you because I want it to be a surprise, all you have to do is be a subscriber, hit the notification bell so you get notifications whenever I release a new video, and then comment down below about what is your favorite part of the Mediterranean diet. Now you can comment as many times as you want, and each comment will be an entry. So what I'm going to do is in 3 days time, I'm going to go through that list and I'm going to assign a number in the order that the comments were put. So 1, 2, 3, all the way down. And then I'm going to use a random number generator to choose which number. I'm going to count down and that will be the winner. So you can enter as many times as you want by commenting as many times as you want. Please share this video with your friends. Tell everyone you know, because when we reach the next milestone, we're going to give away another cookbook. So in 3 days time, I'm going to come back and choose the winner. And I'll let you know who won at that time, and I'll do another video to announce the winner. So that's all there is to it. Enter now. Yay! See you soon.